All right. I guess got nothing else going on, so I'm gonna start working on the trailer. The goal is to take the leaf springs out, axles out, and hopefully have the new axle mocked up or at least in. So let me set the camera down. All right, the trailer is off the ground. I got my 4 6-ton jack stands underneath it. I also bought this leg for it. I haven't put it on yet. Bought it like actually yesterday. Yeah, it's been in the back of my truck, but whatever. I'll put it on. So right now I'm about to crawl under here and see what needs to be done and get this off. Get my. All right. So what it looks like I'm gonna have to do is take the U-bolts off on both sides. Yep, U-bolts off, and then I can take the leaf springs off, and then I can start mocking my leaf springs up. I do got more wires for different lights I'm gonna run, so I'm probably gonna take care of that afterwards. But for now, oh shoot, sorry, I wasn't really pointing at it. But for now, I'm gonna take the U-bolts off the axle and drop that. So no axle. Looks like my Jeep when I take the axle out, now that I think about it. But here is the new leaf spring I'm putting in. As you can see, it's longer, more heavy duty. And then the axles on that side, it's a 5-leg axle going in as well. And then 31s on it. That's the tire size I found for cheap. So let me try to get these mocked up and I'll show you guys here in a bit. So here's the shackle. The way the Harbor Freight trailer is, you don't have a shackle. The leaf spring just goes up in there. So I'm gonna put a shackle mount right there and the shackle on. So yeah, it'll ride. It should ride a little better. I gotta do something with these. Probably straighten out that piece or something. I was grinding just to get a clean weld, and part of the metal came in lodged in my arm. Can't see it because I covered it because I'm about to start welding, but yeah, thing tried to stab me. But right now, I'm about to weld the bracket in. So that bracket right there, I'm about to weld up, and then I'll just do it on the other side. Got the camera still rolling, so you'll see all of it. I'm trying to do better with actually showing you guys what I'm doing. So let's get that started. this has been going way easier than what I thought. I have this mocked up. I did have to take off the fenders, but for these, I'm gonna put them back on. I think I'm just gonna weld them up here. Oh, never mind. That looks stupid. Yeah, that's gonna look dumb. Not gonna run those. Changed my mind. Picked up the camera. I should have did that before, but yeah. So those fenders are useless. But here it is. It is jacked up. Just underneath. I do have 1.5 inch spacers coming in. Hopefully that pushes it out just a little bit so it clears and it doesn't hit anything. But everything looks good so far. I'll show you what I have to do to get this on here. So I welded this up. My welds aren't pretty, but they're getting better. Just like I said, welds aren't pretty, but welded it up. Bolted it in there. Bolted it in there. And then, yeah, it was real simple. This is the only thing I have to weld. I did have to cut this piece because it hung low, but besides that, it's perfect. What I did is I measured halfway from here to here, and I put the middle right on this seam. So hopefully that's good. I'm about to do a nut and bolt check, and then put it on its own weight. Hopefully it can, it won't rub. So I got this leg for it, and I wanted the wheel on it. So I just said I'm gonna weld it to it, but that's a little hot. I welded it right there. So I did take my carbide bit and clear it. But yeah, it's welded down each side of it. I didn't really want to deal with all the brackets, so yeah, weld it super close. And yeah, I'm about to clean up this mess real quick, pull it out, and hook it up to the Jeep, see how it looks next to it, or connected to it. So I just finished it. I've been showing the progress. I just realized this thing probably won't fit out of the garage. I'm about to try right now. Let's see. Ah, shit. I'm gonna try to get it out the garage. Get back to you guys. Well then, I guess this is what I have to do to get it out the garage. Great. So I got it finished up last night. Here's a better view of it in the daytime, daylight. Like I said before, just simple 31s. Better looking wheels than those. It's a tight fit back here. I got my trash cans and waiting for bulk trash to come and someone to come do my yard. But anyways, yeah, leaf springs are in there good. New light, I'm gonna put new lights on it probably tomorrow. And yeah, here's the old axle I'm selling. And then fenders, I don't know what I'm gonna do. And then wheels I'm selling. But it turned out great. Still not done yet. So the trailer is done so far. It works. Got the new axle, leaf springs, and bigger tires on, and it drives good. I hooked up to a Jeep to drive to work, and on the way home from work, I was like, I might as well go test it out on a hill, just because I am new to driving a manual off-road. So getting that experience in right here is a good place to test it. But so far, so good. I'm gonna end the video out here. So if you haven't, subscribe, and then like and comment. If you have anything negative to say, you can comment. If you have anything positive to say, just comment. And I'll see you guys in the next one.